I welcome all Pi pioneers to my channel. If you are yet to subscribe, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Alright, if you are mining Pi, this video is for you because in this video, I'll be talking about 4 significant things about Pi, and this deals with your security, that is the security of your Pi account, which include your Pi wallet and in Pi browser and also your Pi app. And most importantly, if your Pi that was migrated was returned back to your wallet, also stay tuned because I'm going to tell you the various process you are going to undertake. For instance, if your migrated Pi is like this, if you have this kind of issue whereby your migrated Pi was returned back to Pi app, you can see it here. This one says returned to Pi app. So stay tuned. I'm going to take you through how you can resolve this issue too. Alright, so this is what the first thing I'll be talking about, which is the two-factor authentication for Pi migration wallet. Okay, this was introduced according to Pi. This information was posted yesterday on the Pi social medias and even the Pi blog. So now this is it. On March 13th, 2025, Pi released a two-factor authentication, that is 2FA features, that requires some pioneers to complete two-factor before their Pi will be successfully migrated to the MAINNET blockchain. So what this simply means is that the Pi core team decided to introduce a two-way factor, that is two factors. You have to have authenticated two things on your Pi app before you can complete your Pi migration, or before it can be migrated to your MAINNET blockchain. Okay, and for those that are yet to complete this, most of their Pi that was migrated was returned back to their Pi app. Okay, for better understanding, you can see here it says some pioneers may have already have a trusted email address that they can use to start the 2FA, that is the two-factor authentication. Alright, and if you are to read through here, it says you must have confirmed your migration wallet. So continuation here. Okay, now continuation of their post here says return Pi balances during the migration pending period. This is to show that this is one of the reasons why some people's Pi was returned back. He said for the security of their account and Pi, certain pioneers who migrated their Pi to the mainnet within the last few weeks but are still within the 14-day pending period will need to complete the above 2FA requirement. Otherwise, their Pi will be securely returned to the mining app. So what this means is that for some weeks now, the Pi team has introduced this but did not inform the pioneers, did not inform the audience, okay, that is the community. And why they had to introduce this is okay, for your Pi to be migrated successfully, you have to have completed your 2FA, that is your two-factor authentication. And if you have not completed it, you are expected to complete it within the 14 days. That is, if your Pi has been migrated to Pi browser wallet, you have to wait for 2 weeks. That is the pending period. So if you have completed the 2FA within that period, your migration will be successful. But if you have not completed it, your Pi that was migrated will return back to your Pi app. You can see it here. It says it will return, and it will return just for your own safety. And when pioneers complete the 2FA before the rollback, it will be subject to return. And here, if you did not complete it, later the migration will be reinitiated. So if your Pi that was migrated has been restored back to your have been returned back to your Pi app, don't worry, it's going to be migrated back to your mainnet. That is after you have done your 2FA, that is your two-factor authentication. Alright, now let's go straight to what we have, what I will be talking about in this video, that is how to go about the 2FA, that is how do you set your two-factor authentication. Alright, simply go to your Pi app. If you go to your Pi app, just go to these three dots here and click on profile. So once you click on profile, scroll down, and this is what they mean by two-factor authentication. Here you can see account verification, right? So here you are expected to have verified your phone number. So it's either you verify your phone number or your Facebook account, but I would recommend you to verify your phone number first. You see, mine is marked here. That is because I've verified it. So if yours has not been marked, just click here. You will see verify. Once you click on verify, it will take you to a page where they will bring up the countries. Just select one of the countries. Nigeria is not there, but select one of the countries. Then make sure you have enough airtime on the phone number you are using that you want to use to verify. Okay, so once you input it, then they will send a message to you and your phone number will be verified. That's number one. Then after verifying your phone number, the next thing you're expected to do is to verify your email address. This is it. You can see I've verified my own. So once you click to verify your email address, I will recommend you making use of Gmail, that is Google Mail. So once you click here, it will bring up that is your email address where you are to input your Gmail address. But let me use this just for practical. I'll click on update, but for you, what you will see there is verified. If you have not done it, you can see it says, okay, let me return back here and click on it again so you can see what is expected to bring update. So you can see it quickly removed it, but that is where you're expected to click. So you will see enter your email address like this. So just input your email address. Once you input your email address, then click on verify. Once you click on verify, you will receive a message on your Gmail. Okay, so you will receive this kind of message on your Gmail. Here you say, hi Joshua, click here to verify your email address. So this link expires in 1 hour. So you are expected to click on this place where you have this here. You can see here is itemized. So once you click on this here that is showing a blue color, once you click on it, it will take you to their website and it will automatically verify your email. So if you have done that, if you verified this, it will show here as email address verified. Okay, so once you have verified this, it will be showing like this. It will mark here, and also, sorry, this is for identity. You will see it marked, email address marked, and this one marked. So once it's marked, the next thing you're expected to do is to come here, okay, which is the second thing I'll be talking about, that is confirming your wallet. Just come back to this three dots here, go to MAINNET. So when you go to MAINNET, click on MAINNET checklist. Alright, so there is this, you see secure your account, this number 5. If you click on this, that is where they will tell you to verify either through Facebook account or phone number. But like I said earlier, I suggest you making use of phone number. So that's been done. That is how you can secure your account. One. Then aside from securing your account, there's one other thing you're expected to do, which is to confirm your Pi wallet. For some of you, there are some that this will pump up automatically, like you will have this kind of message. Okay, so you might have this kind of message here that says confirm your migration. There are some people that this message pumps out automatically on their Pi app. Once you log into your Pi app, you might see this. So if you are seeing this, don't be afraid. It is from the Pi core team. It is from the Pi team. They are the one that set it up like that. What this is meant for is to confirm your wallet, to show if you still have access to that your wallet that you connected to your Pi app. So, but if previously you've inputted your seed phrase, that is your passphrase, to any website that does not belong to Pi, and you feel like the wallet has been compromised, that is somebody has hacked the wallet, somebody have access to your Pi wallet, you can decide to click on change wallet. But before doing this, make sure that you have verified your email, because a message will be sent to your email. So if you click on this confirm wallet, if you click on it, it will ask for your passphrase. Just to make sure that why they ask for this is to make sure that you still have access to this wallet. That's why they are asking for that. So just input the passphrase to log into that wallet, then confirm it. When you confirm it, a message will be sent to your email. But if you did not have this, just go to your MAINNET checklist. Okay, so when you come to your MAINNET checklist, just as I said there, click on confirm your Pi wallet. Okay, so when you click on confirm your Pi wallet, be mindful of this. It says manually unlock the Pi wallet using your passphrase to demonstrate that you can access it. Okay, so here you're expected to input your 24-word passphrase. When you input it here, then you click on confirm your wallet. But please take note, if anybody is asking for your passphrase, please do not give them, because there have been I've received some messages whereby people request for your passphrase, or you might even see some messages that pump up whereby they will tell you to claim free Pi, and they will request for your passphrase. That is the work of scammers. They want to have access to your Pi wallet, because once you give somebody your passphrase or give it out to people or input it in a particular website, you have automatically given that person direct access to your Pi wallet. That means when your Pi is migrated, they can transfer your Pi out without your consent, and even if you have Pi there, they can transfer it immediately. So be careful on that. So once you confirm your wallet, you will receive another mail. Okay, you will receive another mail, but before I proceed further, I will have to input my 24 phrase. But before I proceed further, I want to say this. If you know that your wallet has been compromised, okay, I will suggest you change your wallet. Okay, so when you change your wallet, all you need to do is just go to your Pi browser. Okay, so for you to create, just go to your Pi browser, click on wallet, then instead of using that wallet that you know has been hacked or that you've sent to people. But before you do that, make sure you save the passphrase of that one. That is if you have a Pi that has been migrated to it. But if your Pi has not been migrated, or you are waiting for the second migration, just simply click on create a new wallet. You can see it here. So once you click on create a new wallet, they will bring out the passphrase, copy it and save it somewhere. So when you copy it and save it somewhere, then before you go back to the Pi app to confirm your wallet. So confirming your wallet now, when you want to log in, you log in with the passphrase of the new wallet. Alright, we are back here. That is how to confirm your wallet. Remember I said I'm going to do this just for you to have access, just as practical. So now I'm going to input my passphrase. Okay, so once you input it, I've been able to confirm my wallet. Okay, so I guess why a message was not sent, because why a message was not sent to me was because it's still the same wallet I'm making use of, that I still confirmed, so it's still the same. Okay, but if you are doing this for the first time, or if it is through the pop-up, that is if it is through this pop-up that you confirmed your migration or confirmed your wallet, you will receive a message, okay, on your email. And once you receive the message on your email, all what you need to do is click on verify. Just follow the tags given to you on the email, on the message sent to your mail. Just click on it and your wallet will be confirmed successfully. So that's it. But when you are doing this, make sure you compare this your wallet address with what you have. Yes, make sure you compare this wallet address that is showing here with what you have on your Pi browser. For you to do that, just observe. You can decide to observe the last four numbers and alphabet in the wallet display there. So you go to your Pi browser, check it. If it's the same, then you confirm it. That's all in regards to how to verify your Pi wallet and how to set up your two-factor verification. So that's how to go about it. So if your MAINNET has been returned back to the app, when you do this, then another migration will be reinitiated for you. Okay, so that's all. If you have any question in regards to all what I've explained in this video, kindly drop it on the comment section and I will attend to it. And I'm also going to drop my phone, that is the link to my WhatsApp DM, so you can message me if you have other further questions. And you can also join my WhatsApp community for more information and more updates. Thank you for supporting my channel always. If you are yet to subscribe, make sure you subscribe before you go.